So you got the hiccups. Well, let's get rid of them. Forget the water, forget the sugar. Here's what you gotta do. First, just relax. Take a deep breath. Hold it in. Now, you simply force the air down your throat like you were trying to burp. Keep forcing the air down as many times as you can. Then, blow out nice and slow. Now, don't cough or get too excited because they will come back. But there you have it. That's the cure. Please share this video with everybody you know, and together we can put an end to the hiccups. Just ask my man Billy D. It works every time.